in this video, I will show you how to fix login error on Android. First of all, open your control center. Make sure that you're connected to a very stable Wi-Fi. You can also try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi. Next thing you can do is try to turn on your airplane mode. Leave it on for 10-15 seconds, then turn it off again. Then try to relaunch Facebook. Next thing you can do is go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Facebook. Here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then update your app and relaunch it. And if it is still not working, go to Settings. Then scroll down below until you find Apps. Click on it. Then click on App Management. Here, search for Facebook. Click on it. Then go to Storage Uses. Here you will see Clear Cache written in bright red. Simply click on it. Once your cache is cleared, then let's go back and try to restart our device by pressing and holding on the power button. Then the screen will appear. Simply slide it up to restart your device. Now your Facebook login should work, and if it is still not working, simply go to Facebook, click and hold on it, click on uninstall and try to reinstall your Facebook. Now your problem should be solved. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.